Alright, so from the previous video you can see that there's some things that could be changed on this guy. Upgraded, I guess. As you can tell from the video, my son wants to keep this as close to stock as possible. He says he really likes it, it's super fast, it's amazing, blah blah blah. But it flips around a lot, and it had issues with the shocks breaking, and that happened within like 5 minutes, I think, of riding it. So I went ahead and made some changes to it to kind of make those issues go away a little bit, and I'll show them real quick. It's things that you can do at home. It's some you can do for free, some are not free, but they do help a lot. So the shocks, I went ahead and flipped them upside down. This piece right here was ripping out of the shock, you know, where it threads into this cap. That was the part that actually broke. It didn't break, it just slipped out. So all the threads that are in this blue, which is the plastic, the black piece, were just coming off. And it's because there's not enough room in there on the top to fit this aluminum piece. So because of the angle, the way it sat in there, every time it would go up and down, it was just forcing the shocks to the side and ripping that piece off. So that is not that the shock is bad, which it actually is. It's really bad, but it's more of a design issue. Had they made this plastic piece a little bit thinner, it wouldn't rub up against it and it wouldn't cause that weird pressure. So to fix the issue with breaking the shocks on your car, just go ahead and flip it upside down, and that takes care of that issue. The other thing is I moved the battery tray. You guys know that battery tray usually sits up in there, so it kind of follows this line right here, and that brings the battery, you know, pack all the way up to here, so it takes up that space. The way I have it now is just sitting down here, so we pretty much brought the weight of one whole cell down, because it used to sit up here, and we brought it all the way down here. The bottom cell is close to where it was, but it's actually lower, but closer to where it was before. So all you do is you loosen up the top bolt that holds it in place, which you can see down there somewhere. Let me see, can we even see it? There. Okay, so right there, the top one, not the first one, that one, that's where the battery tray usually holds on to. Now we're holding it down here, so it's just a flip. And all figured, you know, since my son wanted it to look stock, I wasn't gonna put that battery anywhere else that, you know, it would kind of make it look weird. So I just hid it back there. You can't really tell that it was moved unless you really pay a lot of attention, because you see the bottom part right here. But that lowers down the center of gravity considerably. I asked him he wanted me to take the tire out. He said no, he loves the way it looks, so it's staying there. So that, as far as that's the springs fix, the shocks, and that's the battery tray relocation to make it work. And then on the stability side, I went ahead and put these wideners. They give the car about 1 extra inch. I think they're like 12 millimeter extra compared to the original hexes that comes with it, the plastic pieces. So you get about 1 inch overall width increase on the car. So even if you look at it this way, it doesn't seem like there was a big change in the car. So my son hasn't even noticed that I put those in there. So again, trying to keep it looking stock, but able to perform a lot better. I did take it out for a ride. Well, actually my son did, and he noted that it was riding a lot better. I didn't tell him what the changes were till after, and you know, the fact that he was able to tell that it had improvements tells me that, you know, everything worked out good. We didn't have anything break. I did not record it, sadly, but I will be posting more videos of it riding. These are improvements that you can do on most of your ICs, so you know they're gonna work. Just figured I'd show you guys what I've been doing with this one. Also, kind of like on a non-related thing here, you guys know this guy. Just to let you guys know that I did put those files on Thingiverse. You can go ahead and pick those up. They're free. And I also went ahead and put these. Now these are like a copy, I guess, of what you would get if you buy the Lossy Micro T's temp paddles. Those are proven to work, so I don't see an issue with getting them 3D printed. You know, they should work just as good. These have that deep dish, so you know you get to save a lot of weight on it. And like I said, I mean it's a proven design. So if you guys just want some quick paddles, just go ahead and get these and print them out. They're free. Just go to the Thingiverse account. And oh, also I put that bigger 180 motor on this one, so I'll be running this guy soon once the sand dries out again. Anyways, free files. Download those guys, print them out, have fun with them. These I still have not tested. I will keep you posted on how they perform. Okay? Anyways, that's where we're at. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see if I can get something out there for you guys. Oh, the other thing. Yes, I will be maxing one of these out. I went ahead and ordered the blue one and some parts to put on it, because like I said, my son doesn't want me to mess too much with this one, so there's not going to be a motor change in that one. We're going to keep that stock brush motor in there because it's plenty of power. As you guys can see, my son can't really handle it, so anything stronger is just going to break the car. But I will be getting a blue one hopefully soon and building that one up. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Alright, have a good one.